Hi, we're back at Marks Electrical today to look at the Hisense RS731N4AC1 American Refrigeration. Now this big and impressive stainless steel look product is a fridge on the right and a freezer on the left. Its 615 litre gross capacity means it's fine for a large family, and it has some excellent features. When you look at the front, you can't help but be impressed with its size and its looks. The LED control panel has individual temperature control for the fridge and the freezer. There's a door open alarm, there's a child lock, eco, super freeze, super cool and holiday modes. Now opening the doors, the efficient LED lights on both sides show that you've got a lot of space. There's a very healthy 370 net litres in the fridge, and it's well organised. There are 5 good sized door shelves. The top one is the lidded dairy shelf. The middle 3 are height adjustable, and the bottom shelf is a bottle shelf which has a retainer to stop the bottles moving around. The fridge cabinet has 4 safety glass shelves. Some adjust for height, and there are 2 large fruit and veg crispers at the bottom. You could have your fruit in one and your veg in the other. The bottom is slightly narrower, but it's still a good size. There's a very handy fresh box too, which would be good for your meat and your fish. You can actually take that out and store it elsewhere to free up some more space in the fridge if that's what you require. There's also an egg rack which doubles up as a bottle rack, so you can use it individually for bottles on one side and eggs on the other, for 2 bottles or all eggs. I like that, that's a good feature. And the whole thing is chilled using multi-airflow technology, and that gives you a nice consistent temperature top and bottom throughout the fridge. The 192 net litre frost-free freezer also has 5 door shelves that can be customised. The cabinet has 4 safety glass shelves with capacity for large items. There are 2 good sized drawers at the bottom that can be removed for easy loading. And there's a very handy Icemaker. That's a novel design, I haven't seen them like that before. Very clever. The super freeze function ensures quick and stable freezing of non-frozen food to keep flavour and nutrition for longer. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions. There's a height of 1,766 millimetres, there's a width of 912 millimetres, and there's a depth of 726 millimetres. Now we usually ask for 5 millimetres either side of the appliance for clearance, but there's a very important dimension to consider on these American fridge freezers. It's the opening width of the doors if placing near sidewalls. Now with the doors open to the normal operating width, which is that where they lock, the width is 1,420 millimetres. Now the shelves cannot be removed at this position, and the shelves will come out in the fully accessible position, which is that one, and that width is 1,650 millimetres. That's the fully accessible width of the appliance. So summing up, this very well made and impressive product has an A+ energy rating. It has a 615 gross litre capacity, it has good features, and it's got a 2-year parts and labour guarantee and a staggeringly low price. And you could have one tomorrow, free delivery from Marks Electrical, and that's evenings and weekends included.